Today we're looking at Beckett Simonon's Jodhpur boots. Beckett Simonon is a made-to-order brand that I've been working with for a while now. These boots were gifted, but my opinions are my own. Beckett Simonon was founded in 2011, and they have a commitment to integrity and sustainability. They source everything and create small runs of their shoes so there's a smaller overhead and they keep costs down. All their products are made in Bogota, Colombia, and they're online retail only. No middleman. Just direct to consumer. They promise quality and durability. As someone that owns many different shoes from them, I absolutely agree with that. Jodhpur boots were originally created for horseback riding. This riding boot dates back to the 1890s. Jodhpur boots are so named because they paired perfectly with Jodhpur pants, which are also for horseback riding. Jodhpurs have similar silhouette to Chelsea boots. The difference is in the strap and buckle that set these apart. What I love about Simonon is that they update you on the entire process of the craftsmanship of the shoes. It takes longer, but you can really see that the care that went into the shoes. It's exciting to get regular emails and get to see who's actually working on the boots. I chose leather boots because I'll be able to wear them with suits and also jeans too. These boots retail for $259 and come in black, oxblood, like mine here, oak, tan, and chocolate brown. They're full grain leather, fully lined leather, handcrafted, and also have leather soles. They have a sharp profile and just feel soft to touch, yet very durable. The buckles could be a little more premium, but it's not a big deal. I tried them on, and they're extremely comfortable out of the box. I'll be visiting my tailor to add plastic taps to the heels because I walk a lot. I was interested in this boot because I wanted to have another dress boot that had some personality. Beckett Simonon offers free shipping, returns, exchanges, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and a 1-year warranty. It's also really cool that while browsing the page, the website, they have images of the artisans that will be working on the order. I love seeing the process, and it's clear they honor and respect their employees. Shoemaking is an art. I look forward to styling these boots with my casual and formal clothes. Visit them online. I'll be placing the link in the description. If you found value in this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.